As part of the design process, we need to explore new ideas. We need a tool that can help us track branch designs, so that once that we choose the optimal configuration, we can merge it back into the original project. Let's see how SOLIDWORKS PDM can help us with this. The branch and merge feature in SOLIDWORKS PDM helps designers branch concepts or configurations from a source file while allowing their structure to be recognized. The file can then be saved in a location of choice while adding a prefix or suffix as needed. Since each branch is independent from the source file, any changes to either will not affect the other. These changes can later be tracked through the file history for any of the branches. Also, by selecting associated branches on a branch or source file, we can select the branch and display a report window. Once a design has been selected, it can be merged back to the source file as a new version. The merge operation will then be recorded in the file history, and the new changes will take effect on the design. And this is how SOLIDWORKS PDM can help us in the design process.